Well, I'm moving at God's speed. Only God and my mama know I need. And I feel the hard floors on my knees. And I beg you just to take it easy on me. Zach Bryan, you've done it again. This song put him on the map and into our hearts at Godspeed. Wow, no, really, truly is an incredible song. And it's a great song for beginner guitar players to learn because it holds true to that philosophy. You learn these four chords, you can learn tons of songs. So it's a really great song to learn. It's challenging with the timbre, which is something I'm going to help you with today. And yeah, let's get right into it. So the first things first, get this old capo on the first fret. You can play it open with the same chords. It will be a little easier to sing up the half step, and this is how he plays it. So having the capo on the first, the next thing we're going to do is learn our four chords. The C major is the first chord. Very great, joyful intro chord. I'm going to assume that you know how to play a C major and just move on to the next chord. But just to get the familiarity back of how the song sounds, you know, this is the opening. I want to write a postcard from the edge of the place I'm in. So that next chord, the second of our four chords, is a G 6 over A, but really all it is just instead of a normal G, we're going to keep that index rooted from our C major. So just don't move that and just slide these two ladies up a four. Now, one thing to keep in mind through this song, but if you're a beginner, don't necessarily worry about it, is this high E right here. He sort of mutes it throughout the song, at least in the campfire version. So if you're playing that C and you notice it's ringing out, don't be afraid to kind of have your palm up a little bit or just, you know, kind of hold back with your hand. It focuses on this low E, which kind of really takes the song through its familiar sound that we all come to love, right? So again, just to recoup, C, under the stars in the back, beat up okay, wrong lyrics, but right. Now, which is really swell throughout the song is this index is going to stay rooted to the next part. And I want to make love hard to an A minor. So we all know the C, so we should all know the A minor as well. In the back of a beat up okay 10 to a F major bar chord. This is going to be the most challenging chord for many beginners because it's a bar chord, and the F, as we know, is just the E major slid up to an F. And if you can, you're going to want to play it with your thumb and your index like this, the Jimi Hendrix way. But this helps sort of continue to mute that high E and really allow you to play that emphasis on the low E, which when we get this strumming later, that's really like the sing along, clap your hands along rhythm that we know. So that is the final chord. So there's four chords that makes up the entire song, including the verses and the chorus. So whether you're singing, you know, I'm moving at God's speed, so the C, only God and my mama know I need to that G chord, and I feel the hard floors on my knees, it's the A minor, and I beg just to take it easy on me, F, right? And it's the same for any part of the song. And I want to watch the road melt into the mountains away when I drive. Make it out of this damn town alive. Now let these dreams surely die. So it's the same part. So let's get into the rhythm, which is probably the hardest part for most of you. But I want to encourage you just to focus on the downs, try to feel the song. He himself, when he plays a song, you know, he's such a great singer, he can just be like, yeah, I'm moving that. Oh, my pick just went into my guitar. Oh, that was easy. But then, and I'm moving that Godspeed. Only God and my mama know what I need. So just the downs are what's going to take you through the lyrics. So if you find yourself switching the chords, know that it's going to be a down, and from there you'll kind of figure it out. But just for everyone, some people are more analytical, it's going to be a down, down, up, down, up. So you go, the down, down. And for me, I've kind of hit that low E instead of doing the first down as the song goes. It kind of like rings that familiarity that we kind of love with the song. So let's just go ahead and think of it. Let's hear it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, So I'm just going hit, down, up, to down, up. And if it's kind of difficult at first, don't worry. Go, keep trying throughout the day. You'll wake up the next day, it'll be easier. Keep trying. You'll wake up the next day, it'll be easier. Any song you can learn, you just have to practice, and it'll sound great. Just give yourself time and sing your heart out and just feel the music. That's the whole point. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you, Bryan, for the song. And if you like my mustache, why don't you let me know in the comments, because I'm going to shave it before I have my date tomorrow. And because I'm a little self-conscious of it. But I think it looks pretty good with the guitar in my hands, at least. Thanks, guys.